Hey there, in this quick video, I'm going to share with you the EX2710Q Benq, what is the best settings. So go to light turner first, go to -5. Then you want to go to color vibrance and go to 9. Then you want to go to brightness 82. Then you want to have contrast, and contrast is going to be 75. Then you're going to have the gamma is going to be 5. And then you can have the custom and color temperature. You want to have everything 100, or you can go like 95, 98, 100. And then you're gonna have AMA, and it's going to be 2 when you're gonna have it right here under color temperature. Now, what I also recommend to do is that I don't know if you have the AMD or if you have Intel, like if you have NVIDIA. So what I recommend to do is also check the best settings for that, for the NVIDIA. And this is like another important thing that I recommend to check out. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.